Hey beauties, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winnie. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful statement and piece and fan for my friend's wedding. It was for my friend. Very beautiful and very easy to make. So without too much talking, let's get straight to the tutorial.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
For this statement and piece and fan, these are what I'll be using. I used feathers, I used my paper tape. You need your needle and thread, your scissors, the fabric of your choice, and of course a boning, but not a regular boning, the normal hard boning. And this boning is about 1/2 inch wide. You can use a smaller one if you want. So now I'm just going to be eyeballing the roundness, how round I want it to be, and after that I went ahead to measure it, and it was about 24 inches long. All right, so I went ahead to cut it out, and I realized that it was too big, so I decided to use the other smaller one, which was about, I think, 23 inches or thereabouts. I didn't measure it. So what we want to do next is that we want to join it together. So that is the essence of the paper tape. I'm just using my paper tape to join the two edges together. So just make sure that you secure the edge, and then you just join everything together. So it's going to give you an oval shape, something like this. And now the next thing you are going to do is to cover it up with your fabric. So I just went ahead to place it on top of my fabric, as you can see, and I went ahead to cover it properly. I was trying to look for an easier way to do it, and I found out that this was the easiest way. So I just went ahead to put it on top of the fabric, and then I dragged the fabric to the edge towards where I put the paper tape, because I wanted it to form a kind of pleats. All right, it's not just going to be laying round and flat like that. I wanted it to just form some kind of very pretty, beautiful pleats. And once that was done, I went ahead to use my thread to just tie it, as you can see me doing like that. I just went ahead to tie it. I tied. I made it firm. This was not really firm, so when you are doing yours, make yours very firm so that your pleats will stay in place, but it shouldn't be too firm also, so that the boning will not lose its shape, so it won't be looking funny. All right, so just make sure that it is moderately firm, and then you cut out the excess. So once I was done doing that, I went ahead to trim the edge, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is to use my needle and thread to tack everything down. So once I was done tacking it down, I went ahead to use my feathers to cover it. This feather, I used it the wrong way. When you are using yours, make sure that you turn it to the other side, such that the feather is facing the fabric, not that the feather will be standing up like this. And this was the finished look. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like and share with your family and friends. Till I see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye.